welcome to Tech Web Hack channel. So if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's get to 1K subscribers. At least that's what you could do for your boy. So today video tutorial is going to be very interesting because I'm going to show you how you can create a crypto trading investment website. Now, like I always say, these tutorials I do are mostly for educational purpose, and also you can make money from it. Now, yes, how you can make money from it. Now, if you are a a company that manages clients account when it comes to trading in the market and the rest, then this particular website script is for you. So basically, the script is very easy. You just have to install it. I'm going to show you how you can go about that. And also, if you are looking to learn how to integrate features and the rest, then this course is also for you, basically for educational purpose. And if you're also looking to make money from it, basically, you can also make use of this particular script. So this is how the website is going to look like. You can edit everything and can be there. Now, I'm logged into the admin, the user dashboard, and now this is how it will look like. Now, the users have um, trading charts where they get access to daily information happening in market, forex market also. Now they also have where they're going to subscribe to a plan, and also they can exchange their funds. They can exchange their funds. Now they can exchange their funds. Now also one interesting thing I love about this section is that they also have access to um, referrals. Now, when they refer users to your platform, you also give them commission, and also they can literally just exchange the crypto for what they want to exchange to. Now you have various crypto cryptocurrency available, and now you can also click fund your account over here. Now, once you click fund your account, basically once you click on your account, you would take it to where you need to take it to, which is this place. Now you select the option. Now let's go back to the admin panel. The admin panel where users can be able to, like you, the admin, can be able to control what users have access to from their end. So alright, so basically this is the admin panel. This is the admin dashboard. As you can see, the admin dashboard over here. Now to change the background, if you don't like this background, then you can change it to this background so it looks way better. Now, now the admin is going to select the investment plan that the they want the customer or the client to register under, and the duration period is very easy to do. Then they can manage deposit, manage withdrawal, and they can also manage users. Like beautiful thing about this managing of users is that when a user creates an account, they can click on manage. This is an account I created. So now for the sake of this tutorial, I just click action. Now you can turn off the client's trade. You can credit, debit. You can clear the client's account. You can add trading history. You can send email. You can also log in as a client to trade for the client. So now, if you credit debit, you see where you would add the bonus, the profit, referral bonus, account balance, deposit, and also put the amounts. So basically this is how it works. Now let's say I'm going to add credit, so I'm going to add 100 column, just put as profit, credit, profit. So I'm just going to add it as account balance credit. So I'm going to click submit. Now, right, action successful. You can see right here, account balance $100. So I'm going to go back to my user dashboard, and I'm going to show you. Yes, as you can see over here, it has actually reflected. Now, if I'm going to you look over, you see total profit. Now, since there's no profit, once I click profit record, literally there's no profit record attached to it. So now I'm going to go over to this place, admin. Now come over to this place, and I can also decide to add profits and credit in the amount. So I'm going to put 20. That's profit made from trading using the user's account. So this is going to be profit. And when I come back to this place, I click profit record, I'm going to see. You see total profit over here. So basically, that's how it works. Now, like I said, you subscribe to a plan. Once you subscribe to the plan, start reading. Now, one amazing thing about this script is that you can also edit the front end, the back end of the website. So, literally, I'm going to show you how to do it. So, go back to app settings now. You see the training part. So, you change the name. You can change, put the link of the website. Now put now tau to you is live widget, which you just need to put the code here and going to reflect on front end of the website. Then put the logo and you click upload. When you click upload, so now the next thing you need to do is you're going to click referral settings, payment settings. Now you go this payment settings literally um, what I showed you earlier on in the video as what payment option would you be using to collect money from your client. Now you just have to click on you have to click the security stack. So when you click on the the view option here, you're going to put the amount. You also going to put the percentage, is it percentage of fees, charging fee, and also literally account number. Everything is put here. So basically that's how it works. Then it also comes with what I call MetaTrader account. So basically now I'm very sure most of you if you're a trader you understand what MetaTrader works, how it works. So literally you're going to you've done this on subscription features now, meaning once you click on save, when you click on save, now once I've done this feature on, now subscription settings save. Now I'm going to go as user. Now I need to click on subscribe to the plan. So I'm going to click check now. Now subscription trade has actually come on now. So basically this is where the subscription trade is. Now here it's basically successfully purchase a plan. Your plan fill in their personal information. So putting that long information password now server and also the platform will be let's say demo. So we put in the information also. And yes, account type. Literally they agree, and once they log into the account, so cancel this, log into account, going to show um, the trading information over here, and it will help client trade. And yes, that's basically how it works. That's basically how it works. So now let's move on to how to install the script. How to install the script. So the first thing you need to do to install the script is you need to get a domain and hosting package. So basically, I'm using Gene Design domain. So basically, this is Gene Design. Now this you come over to genedesign.com. Then once you click on hosting, just click get started to get your 5% discount. And now this is where you come to put in your domain name, using your domain name. So I'm going to put alright. So I'm going to add to cart. I'm going to add this to cart. Then I'm going to click share postings. Literally, it's very very cheap and affordable. Yearly just 17. Now take note, because I'm from Nigeria, that's why you're seeing Nigeria. Now it's the website makes you of your IP address. So whatever country, uh, whatever country you're from, it's going to automatically change. So if you're from Cameroon, India, and the rest going to change for you automatically. Now, now you come over to add to cart, then you proceed to check out. Now, once you proceed to check out, you fill in other information that you need to fill. Now you take it to this place, which is your uh, where you purchased your hosting package from. Let's go to my orders, click orders, and click on view order details over here. Click on view order details over here. Then this is how your your dashboard is going to look like. So you just scroll down and then click log into cPanel. So you just want to click this, log into cPanel over here. So basically, I just duplicated these pages. So there's no need, you don't need to duplicate the page. So to log into cPanel, and yes, now we are in our cPanel dashboard currently, and this is how the cPanel dashboard looks like. Now, the first thing you need to do is you need to create a database. You need to create a database. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to create a database. So right, so for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to create a database. So now, first thing you need to do is go over to this place, my SQL database wizard. So you're going to click on this, and now you're going to put in database information. So I'm going to put the next step. Now, please take note. You need to save this information down. So, like you can see over my screen, you have Notepad. So, let's go and open the new Notepad. So, open the new Notepad, and I'm going to fill in all the information that I'm going to be I'm going to be needing for my website. So all right. So now here I'm just going to put the same name, term trade. The name doesn't matter. Just use the same name. You shouldn't try to create so you don't get confused or you don't um, the changes. So now password generator, I'm going to use this. So copy. So make sure you come over to your um, where you saving as your notepad. Click paste. Then use password. Now automatically it's going to generate passwords for you. Now once you click create user, now you're going to have your database name, your database username and your database. Usually this what I just highlighted. Now click on upload images over here. Then scroll down. Now please take note. What I just highlighted now I'm going to paste it here also because I'll be needing it to create the website literally. So now I'm going to click on next step. Alright, so done with that. Done first step. So I'm just going to click on cPanel and I'm going to go to PHP admin. Now the reason I'm going to PHP admin is to show you that the database we've created is actually um, existing. So to be very sure that yes, the database you just created is actually here. As you can see over here, we have demo trade over here, demo trade, and you can see it is completely empty, completely empty. So now I've already purchased a domain name and hosting, which is this over here. So what I'm going to do next now is I'm just going to go to file manager. Right now because I already have the domain name. So let me just quickly trash this. Now earlier on I was working on some other script which I was testing. So now once you click on public underscore HTML, this is where your website is, everything here. Now I have a subdomain, that's why you are seeing domain dot um, the domain name.com over here. But so what I'm going to do now for this tutorial, I'm going to delete all this because normally you're meant to see a fresh looking website. So I'm going to delete this. So I'm not going to keep the trash and permanently delete. I'm just going to delete it because I'm going to be needing the script file that is coming with the website. So alright, so now I'm going to go to view trash and I'm going to just going to come over to this place, scroll down and just restore it back to just restore it back. So now I'm going to click public underscore HTML. Now remember this website we're creating, we're literally just testing now. So now if I check the website out right now, you're going to see that it's empty. Literally it's going to change this. This how your website is very empty. Like literally there's nothing there, it's just empty. It's only showing this particular script which I just uploaded to cPanel. So that's literally what I was trying to explain earlier on why I deleted it because you need to have fresh fresh content in your cPanel. Now what I'm going to do now is going to click extract. Now if I do file extract, I'm going to click on this. This is very important. So if you're using our hosting package in jamesdesigndomain.com, you don't have to do this, but you can also check in case so you don't miss any while it's extracting. So I'm going to click on extract over here and I'm going to extract it straight to the, the website. So alright. Alright, so close. Now I just have to do now is now see dot env. So edit. Alright, now remember uh our database we created. So I'm going to import the SQL file. Now the SQL file is what would be needing to have users information. So I'm going to desktop and yes, so I'm just going to put this and just open. So I'm just going to click on go. Now over here I just have to change put our current domain name. So now remember it is empty, so just put copy, paste it over here. So we have this. Now for the database for this we just have to come over to information we saved earlier on. This sorry. This is information. So this just copy, paste, do this for this also. Now for the password, remember the password we got clear on while creating our SQL database. So just going to do this, just copy this and paste. So you can just change them to you can also change this URL panel. So I'm just doing it right now so you see how it looks like. So this file will be overwritten. So I'm going to refresh this website right now. And as you can see, our website is back. So basically, this is how it works. This is how the website looks like. Yes, this is how the website looks like. So now the admin panel, what you just have to do is you just have to put you have to slash admin, slash login. Now this to have access to admin panel. So now the password is just this. So once you sign in, so as you can see now it's fresh and user just have to create the account. So I'm going to create an account quickly using user app. So I'm going to do this, we do this, and I'm going to now for the admin. Now you can change the password. You can change password from here. So you just go back to this place. Just going to do this. You can change the password from here if you want to. So you can do that. So now this is how it will look like. Then now you can add administrators, add manager if you want to. Now because you don't have any user key, you don't have any user, you click on you see only one user, one active user. So now what we're going to do now is we're going to just add user. We can add for second to I'm just going to add user from here. I'm just going to fill in some information. So I'm just going to fill in some information. So I'm going to put I'll click add users. we just registered a user from our back end as an admin. So admin literally has full control. So once I click on manage, I just have to click on verify email. Now if I don't click on this verify email, this is what's going to happen here. So if I click on verify email, users will not be able to verify their account once they create their account. So you just click on verify email and the account is getting verified. Just give it some time and it's alright done. You can see user email has been verified. So you can block the user, you can also add trading history. So just add history amount, select type, bonus, add history, trying to let the user know the history of on the account. So now you can also clear account. So that is clear the user account. Now you can also reset password. You can also reset password for this user. And also that's if users have an issue creating an account, you can also edit information, country and the rest. Referral link of the user, you can edit everything you edit from here. Now um, input the link in the description below on how you can get this crypto trading and investment script. And please don't forget to subscribe and also like this video and also drop down in the comment section what type of videos you want me to upload, and I would try my possible best to make it available. And also thank you for watching. Till next time.